The letter we have today is Q. Okay, this is the Q letter, capital Q and lowercase q. Now, in order for us to make a sound with this letter, we need to add another letter. We need to add the U letter. Okay, we need to add the U letter. Because the Q letter doesn't make a sound with any word in the English language. Okay. There are some exceptions from other languages, but words from the English language never just have a Q by themselves. They are always with a U. So now, what sound is this digraph, this two-letter sound then? Now, it is the qu sound. Qu, qu, qu. Everybody say qu. Well done, qu. Okay, so now, let's put this sound into some words then. Our first one is quit. Qu, it, quit. Quit. I quit could be a sentence. Quit. So yes, qu, it, quit. Got a qu sound, it, quit. Okay, how many letters does quit have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sounds? Qu, it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Next one, make sure, guys, as well, you are saying the words and sounds with me at home to practice. Next one is queen. Okay, queen. Qu, e, queen. Qu, e, queen. We give this a capital Q because obviously Queen of a country always has a capital letter. So Queen Elizabeth, United Kingdom. Okay, queen. The Queen was kind. Could be a sentence there. Queen. How many letters does Queen have? How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. How many sounds? Queen. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3. Super. 3 sounds, 5 letters. Okay, going on to our next one, which is square. 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 So we've got a uncommon trigraph here. Not a very common trigraph. 3 letters making 1 sound. This is the air sound. Okay, air. And the and kind of, we're blending them together to make a squ sound. Squ, air, square. Okay, the square is a 2D shape. Okay, super. Now, before going over these all again, I did say at the start that you need a U to go with the Q to make the qu sound. Now, you can have the Q letter by itself, okay? But you need to take these words from other languages. So an example is the country of Qatar, okay? Well, capital. This is a country. Okay? Qatar. So, yes, we don't have the U with the Q here, and it kind of makes the k sound. Kind of makes the k sound. So we can have words from other languages with just the Q letter without the U, just so you know. But those are words from other languages which have been borrowed, used in English. Every English language word with a Q has a U accompanying it to have the qu sound. Okay, so let's go over our qu sounds and words. Everyone say qu, qu, quit, qu, it, quit, queen, 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 and square, square, square. Okay, so thanks for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.